Reprogram control board and dryer.
What's the brand and model of your dryer? How old is it?
GFD45GSSM0WW 2 years, never been used.
How long has this been going on with your GE dryer? What have you tried so far?
Change the control board, original was broken.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. This is Mark. I'm an appliance repair technician with 20 years of experience, and I'll be assisting you today.
Hello.
Sorry to hear your dryer is not working correctly. That is frustrating. What do you mean reprogram? Do you mean calibrate it? Typically you only need to calibrate them if the instructions tell you to do that. Did you get any instructions with the new part?
No instructions.
Where are you at with this right now? Did you replace the main control board or did you replace the user interface display? And what exactly are you trying to do with the new control board? I need more information.
It's all installed. When I plug the machine and all the lights flash. There was a broken piece on the back of the original board, so I removed it and installed WE04 by 29,099.
There is typically a model select jumper wire. Did you remove that on the old board and not put it on the new one? When the lights all flash after replace the control board, that is why. There is a missing jumper wire.
There was no jumper wire. If I hold two buttons on the front of the dryer, I can select different options.
Well, the main reason the lights all flash after replacing the control board is because the new board is not able to select the model. You will want to get into the model selection section and select the model you have based on the options they show. One thing you can do is unplug the dryer from outlet for about 5 minutes to reset it, and then you might have some options on the panel where you can select the model of the dryer from different selections.
How do I select my model? The only options I have is number 1 to 3.
The board you replaced works on about 20 different models, so you need to figure out how you can get into the options to select the model you have. Most often there are instructions with a new board that usually will instruct you how to set it up and calibrate it. And oftentimes, as I mentioned, if you cannot select a model, that is because there is a jumper wire missing. I cannot see the board and did not connect it, so I will have to try and research some to find out how to remedy this without the jumper wire. You can look at the old control board and see if there are any other wires or plugs on it, as often there is a jumper wire on the old control board that needs to move to the new one. That is often something that causes an issue of not being able to select the model on a control board replacement. And when the lights all flash, that is a sure sign there is possibly a jumper wire missing. It's just a small wire there on the control board. So look at the old one and see if there is any wire there that is a short wire that is connected to two connections, and once you find it, install it onto the new control board. That is very common to happen on GE control board replacements. The main sign of that wire missing is the lights all flashing when you turn on the dryer after replacing board.
Okay, I'll check when I get home in 5 hours.
Sounds good. I won't be online then, but can check back to see if anyone needs a reply. And if I don't see any, I will be back on in the morning. And can reply again then. If you have any other questions, I'm also happy to help.
This is the back of the old control board, no jumper wire. Diagram. New board connected. I figured it out. I held temp and level until the light stopped flashing and let me select the model 1 to 3. After I selected 2, it then let me select E or G. After I selected it, it works now.
Great news. Glad you got the model selection figured out. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. Have a great weekend.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.